Hello and welcome to my brief video tutorial on creating mail-enabled groups in Exchange 2003. This brief activity is based on Activity 3-3 in the book MCSE Guide to Microsoft Exchange Server 2003 Administration. The 13-digit ISBN number is 978-1-4239-02669. In this brief tutorial, we will cover 16 steps to creating a user's group. The process of creating, or the reason for creating a mail-enabled group, is to simplify the process of sending email messages to large groups of users. So mail-enabled distribution groups are commonly used for this purpose. So in Active Directory, we need to launch, so we'll click on Start. Our administrative tools, which is also located under Control Panel if it's not on your Start menu, and Active Directory users and computers. From there, we will right click on our user container, we will select New, and then we will point to Group. You notice the only option available in the group scope are domain local and global. Universal groups cannot be created because Active Directory domain functional level is still set to Windows 2000 mixed mode. So we'll go ahead and click cancel. We'll right click on our server and we'll raise the domain functional level. At the raised domain functional level, we'll click Select Available Domain Functional Level drop-down menu, and we will select the Windows 2003 server, and we will raise that. Tells you the dialog box when you raise the functional level. It's one-way process, so we'll go ahead and select OK. And the level has been raised. So now we'll right click again on our user container, we'll go to New, and we'll select Group, and now the ability to have a universal group is selected. So we'll go ahead and select, we'll go ahead and give our new group name Marketing. And we will use a universal. We'll create a universal group for that. And under our group type, we're going to select this as a distribution group. Go ahead and select Next. And we want to make sure that the Create and Exchange email address is selected so mail can be sent to this group. That's selected, so we'll go ahead and select Next. The new object group lists the name of the group, which is Marketing, so that is our alias. We'll go ahead and select New. From here we can verify the information is correct. We'll go ahead and click Finish, which finishes the user. Now we can see our Marketing. We can see that it's a distribution group, universal. So we can go ahead and right click on the Marketing group and go to Properties. You notice that in the property screen it indicates 3 exchange related tabs. So we have the Exchange Journal, Address, and Advanced. We're going to click the email on the Email Addresses tab. From the email address, we'll notice that the SMTP email address to reach all members of the marketing group is marketing@mydomain. We're going to go ahead and click over to the Members tab. Then we're going to click Add. So we need to add members to this domain. So we're going to add Mike Jones and Mark Major. So we'll start to populate. So we'll type in Mike and we'll check for names. It automatically puts Mike Jones in there. Our next user that we were going to add was Mark Majors. So we'll do a space and type in Mark and do a check name, and we'll add Mark Majors. Select OK. It's listed both users. We'll go ahead and select OK. It lists the new users. Click OK. The property dialog box closes, and we've now created a mail enabled user group and added 2 users to the group. Just to briefly review the process, within Active Directory users, we right-clicked, created a new group. From that group, we gave it a name, selected Universal Group. Underneath the scope selection, and under the group type, we selected Distribution Group. We then ensured that the Created Exchange email address box was checked when we selected Next. We verified the alias name. From there, we clicked Continue or Finished. We went to the property dialog box of the marketing group NAD under Users. We then verified the email address that was listed, and we selected the Members tab and added 2 members to the group. Thank you for watching my brief video tutorial on creating mail-enabled groups. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the box below.